Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and we are here with Hope and Johnny. Last episode they had Sophie and Allison. We also have Shiloh and Fifi. I think last time actually I built this house, which I like from the outside. I don't like from the inside. I think it's cute on the outside. The backyard's nice. It's just when I was building it, I forgot to put bathrooms in. So I had to like squeeze them in. So this is like you go downstairs, you walk through the front door. There's your dining, living room, kitchen, master bedroom with the little ensuite, and I got this little doggy door to the backyard. Upstairs, the hallway for Johnny. He can practice his jokes, and then the twins' room or office. I mean, it could work if we got rid of her office, but she kind of needs that for her career. And I also noticed something happened to her money tree. I cannot find it. Is it in the household inventory? Or is it just gone for forever? Just gone. Great. So we have to work towards getting another money tree, which is nice. Didn't want to do that. But I guess we could hang up these birth certificates. Should we put them? Put them in the babies' rooms? Yeah, we'll just stick them in. Well, we could put them in the hallway. Stick them right here on this wall. There. And I'll forget about them. Alright, how is Johnny? It's like you're asleep. You're about to go to sleep. Yep. And Hope, you're okay, I guess. So we can get your needs back up, use the bathroom, take a shower. Guess you can just go back to bed. Why are you back up? Oh, the baby's awake. Alright, Johnny, you can come take care of the babies. Who's up? Who is this? Allison. Let's change your diaper. Feed you and cuddle you. Do the same thing with Sophie. Feed, cuddle. And I'll get his needs back up. He can use the bathroom in here. And then head downstairs and go to bed. Oh. Why did you go outside? Okay. Actually, before Hope goes to bed, we'll probably turn the heat on. Oh, don't beg for that. Extra about begging for food. Let's clean that up. That's gross. Look at Fifi. Lecture about waking up. Yeah, please stop waking me up. And if you woke up the babies, very not nice. Alright. You want to be a comedian, and you need level 4 in your comedy skill. You need to practice your guitar also. Let's practice that. Look for some inspiration. I mean, you're pretty good. You don't need to go to bed. You don't need to go to bed either. It's 10 o'clock in the morning. What do you need to do for work? Mischief. Alright, well, I guess you can come up here and play on the... or do mischief interactions on the computer. Seems to work. Well, let's pay our bills. Socialize. Go to the forums. Remember, we're still trying to get 500,000 millions. Making this house probably didn't help, but I like it. Better than what they had. When is the baby's birthday? Tomorrow. Alright. Well, Johnny's getting a little tired now. He can practice his guitar. Oh, Fifi's learned to not wake someone up. And the sink broke down here. Well, Johnny, you can go to sleep after you're done doing your guitar stuff. And when Hope's done, she can repair the sink. Yes, Mila. You won't believe it. Malcolm Laggard is a sweetheart. I'm such in love. Okay. Fill an aspiration goal. Oh, she needs money. That's right. I'm just gonna let her troll the forums until this is done. And Johnny's just gonna practice the guitar until this is done, and then he's gonna head off to bed. Oh, looks like one of the babies woke up, so let's get up over here to change diaper. Then just going back on to trail some more forums, because you're not done yet. You're at 50%. I told you to take care of the baby. Change diaper. And then cuddle. And then you control some forums. No, don't sabotage it. Social. Control the forum. No. Yeah, Johnny can like guitar. Well, he's done with it, so go downstairs and go take a nap. When he gets up, I guess we could have some food. Get some leftovers. Oh, look at them two playing. Somebody's calling Johnny here. Eric. So, this is going to sound crazy. I know we're friends and all, but, well, okay, here it goes. You have a crush on me. You're best friends with my wife. Phew, okay. It's out there. So would you want to go out sometime? You're super cool, and I want to hang out with you. Let's just be friends because I'm married and so are you. Oh, sure, no worries. Let's just pretend that's never happened. Yeah, that's weird. We're both married. Where are you going? Upstairs to talk? Why you just didn't stay downstairs and eat your food? And now you're on the phone. Maybe he's telling her, you know. The strangest thing happened. Eric called. He wanted to be more than friends. That's weird. Maybe he was just joking around.
Blah, 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 blah.
Promotion. Watch comedy on the TV. You can do that. You done with your trolling the forums? You are. Oops. Go eat some food. Oh, you are. Alright, well, I guess you can come downstairs and watch a movie or something. Watch a movie.
Yibs.
And then you go to sleep. You're not even eating, dude. Eat this while watching the movie. Oop, don't clean that up. You eat this. Are you gonna sit? And you also watch current movie. What are we watching? You can sit down. No idea what you're watching. Alright. Wait. Then I need Hope you to fix this. And both of you can head off to bed. I mean, it's super early, but do you have work today? You need to go to bed. Okay, you're done watching the movie. You need to go to sleep. You can also sleep. Do you work today? You work in the 24 hours. Johnny needs sleep. He has to be to work in 2 hours now, probably. Supposed to work at 5. Yeah, 2 hours. When you wake up, you can... Well, I can just put that away myself. And then I can have you set the table. Let's go... Don't do that. Let's see what the dogs are doing while we sleep. They're just in our room. Well, Shiloh's outside sleeping. Oh, that's cute. Work for Johnny starts in an hour. He's gonna be a little sleepy, but he'll be fine. Alright, go to work, Johnny. Have a good day. I hope time for you to get up and take care of this Allison. Change her diaper, feed her, cuddle her. Might as well do it to Sophie also. Johnny's off to sleep. Bye, Johnny. Have a good day. Hopefully he gets promoted today. That'd be nice. And then I need him to work on his comedy skill. Maybe once he gets home. If he's hungry. Where's their food bowl? Did I not put a food bowl in here? Of course I didn't. Great. Let's do that real fast before I go take care of the babies. Alright, Hope, before you go take care of these babies, I know you're on your way up there. Feed your puppies before they take off. Fill. Schedule every 3 hours. And then we'll come up and take care of these babies. Level is your parenting skill anyway. Parenting. Level 3. Alright. You can change your diaper, feed, and cuddle. Same thing. Feed, cuddle, and wait till I need to change your diaper. There you go, Fifi. There's some food. Probably need to call you to it.
Roby! Short! Oh.
Change diaper.
Hey!
Alright. You also earn 100 simoleons. I guess we could do that. What do we do? I guess I could have her write a book that would help us get more money in the house. Well, before parenting, how can I give timeouts? Alright, pups, what are you guys doing? You're begging at the fridge and you are sleeping on the couch. Alright. Looks like Johnny is gonna get promoted and he'll be home soon. What's up, Shiloh? Pet you. Hug. Give you a treat, maybe. Brush you. Calm him down. Poor puppy is afraid of the computer. The stereo's still going. Turn that off. Aww. Alright, where's Fifi at? Okay, give her some attention too. Oh, she was outside. In the backyard. Do I have enough for another money tree? How much do I need for that? Where is it? It's like 3,000? Money tree, money tree. I don't see it. Am I blind? There it is, money tree. 5,000. Oh, Hope and Shiloh are now good friends. Hey, Fifi. Talk to Fifi. Brush. Oh! We did it! Select a branch for Johnny. He wants to be a comedian. Alright, we are now a comedian. Well, Johnny's a comedian. Brush Fifi, play with Fifi, pet Fifi, talk to Fifi. Let's see, Johnny has been promoted to Jokesmith. He will now make an additional 13 per hour and a grand total of 67 per hour. He has also received the following bonus of 937. 1 otter be a star pop art and try out material social. His next shift is Thursday at 2 p.m. Alright. Where are you, Johnny? He's very playful right now. He needs to write or perform jokes, and he needs to be level 6 of the comedian. But he's also super tired, so you're just gonna go to bed. Did we ever fix that sink? We did. Okay, good. Alright, and then Hope, you need to come down and use the bathroom and also go to bed. Because you have work also in the morning. Want to chat with someone? Okay. Lead a work task. You can do that too. Alright, looks like one of the babies is up, Allison. So I'm going to wait. Who's more to rest? Oh, they're about the same. Wake Hope up. Come feed and cuddle Allison. Then feed and cuddle Sophie. And then we should be able to change their diapers. Rebate day was successful for both of us. That's nice. They built the entire house on rebate day. Oh, looks like Alice needs her diaper change first. Then we'll go over to Sophie. Feed and cuddle Sophie. Oh.
Oh, Susu.
Fishing Cauldron. Right, some more your book until I need to change your diaper. Right. Resume. Good night, night. Light. Go resume your book and then we'll wait till she needs her diaper changed. And Sophie and Allison's birthday today. Yep. And now she needs her diaper changed. Turn off this radio again. Head downstairs and go back to sleep. So we're fully rested. How's Johnny doing? We're almost fully rested, so when you get up, take a shower, use the bathroom. Guess you can pet both your pups. Oh, this one's asleep. Eat some food. What do we have in here? Turkey dinner and tofu stir fry. I guess you eat the rest of that turkey dinner. And then for your work, you need to... Oh yeah, you wanted to watch comedy channel. So watch comedy. There we go. While you eat your breakfast of leftover turkey. And the shower broke. Of course it did. Alright, Hope. Time to get up and fix the shower. Then you can mop up the floor. And then you can have some food. You have some leftovers. And Hope can go back to bed. While Johnny works on his comedian skill. She didn't even eat. Oh, when she wakes up, she can eat. There wasn't even that much left on that plate. Oh, well, let's get some more. Oh, Allison woke up. Alright, Mom, that's your turn. Feed and cuddle. Here's Sophie. It's feed and cuddle Sophie.
Getting a new boo.
Oh, they're not good friends. He's very playful. How's his comedy skill? Oh, about 4.5. And he has to write jokes, right? Write or perform routine. Perform routines. Perform a routine. Bit of judgment. There you go. Aw, no, Sophie just became friends with her mom. How cute. But Hope does need to get some food. Probably use the bathroom, shower, and go back to sleep until it's time for work. Oh, but Sophie needs her diaper changed. So, Johnny, your turn. Change diaper. Then you can perform the rest of your routine. He's very playful still. Gotta watch him, make sure he doesn't become hysterical. I'm so tired today. I think it's from all the rain we've been having. Where you going? No. I didn't tell you to leave. Perform routine. Llamas. Gonna cue these up. Perform routine. TV obsessions. Heatcon's here. Alright, Hope. You need to get some sleep before work in the morning. It's actually in the morning already. 4 hours you have work. Why would you sit down to eat? You have to take forever to eat food. Hey, Fifi. You want to give Fifi a hug? Where is she? Let's hug Fifi. There you go. Then you can shower. and go to sleep. I think I forgot to put a trash can in also. Got a lot of things, didn't I? It's fine, we have a sink. Throw the plates away there. Alright, Johnny, how's your... You're not even upstairs. You're not even working on your comedy or your routines. Maybe writing it would be better. Let's see. Write. No. Career? Comedy. Write jokes. There we go. Who's calling Hope? Let's go to... No, Alice. Not right now. I know you're my best friend, but I have to work in a couple hours. Read to be more specific, so I need to get a nap in beforehand. Let's go faster. Uh-oh. Baby's awake. Allison needs her diaper changed. Today's their birthday, so let's feed them, cuddle them, so they're all topped up. Rhonda Elderberry, and I just had a blast. So thank you for the advice. You're welcome. I just noticed there's a little elephant in this basket. That's cute. Alright, Hope. You need to get up. You have 20 or 18 minutes now. Guess you just come out here and wait. Gross. Oh, Eric came over. Throw that away. Didn't even know he was here. How long does she have to work? 2 minutes. Happening now. Well, I did tell you to throw that away, so... Yes, she's not doing that. She's off to work. No, don't eat the garbage. Lecture about eating trash. That's gross. Don't do that. Throw that away. Why won't you lecture? Lecture first. Don't eat the garbage. That's disgusting. Alright, let's go back up here to the computer, write some more jokes. Looks like the baby's up. Which one are you? Allison? Nope, Sophie's awake. That feed? Don't feed. Change your diaper. Then you can feed her and cuddle her. Well, Shiloh wants to go on a walk. Take care of the babies and I'll take Shiloh on a walk. Feed and cuddle. What's wrong? What's wrong, Shiloh? Oh, he's alone. Shiloh looks afraid of something. He needs some minutes to calm down. Well, he might be afraid of the baby. Let's go for a jog. Johnny is into fitness too. He used to be, so. We'll take Shiloh on a jog, and then we'll come back and we'll take Fifi. Alright, let's go. Fifi's out back. Chasing her tail. Alright, Johnny, when you get back, depending on if the babies are up or not, you could take Fifi for a jog. Oh, nice. Hope just got promoted. Hope has been promoted to a redetected. She will now make an additional $87 an hour, grand total of $278 per hour. She also has received the following bonus of $2,286. Her next shift is Thursday at 6 a.m. At least she'll be gone in the morning now. Alright, Hope, I know you're a little tired, but we're gonna take Fifi for a walk, because she needs one. Go for a jog. And when Johnny gets home, he can use the bathroom and sleep, or take a shower, and go to sleep. Then when you get back... No, don't do anything I just told you to. Cool. Use, shower. Probably should call the dog back. Over. And then let's get these babies fed and cuddled. And then when you come home, back home, you can use the bathroom and eat something, take a shower, and head off to bed.
Yashona. Nubu. Finchgim. Flirbada Pemapim. No.
We should level 2 fitness skill.
No. No, but that's new. Oh, Balu. No. Flirbada Pep. Tibana.
Johnny's a little bit hungry
Tess.
and super smelly. Wish you could pet your doggy. Come and eat something. And then shower. You really need to use the bathroom and shower. He's walking so slow. Alright, Johnny, before you shower, I know he's gonna pass out here in a minute. Well, we gotta take care of the babies first. Change diaper. Then you can shower and go to bed. You know, why don't you shower upstairs since you're up there? Upgrade. Not first shower, just a regular shower. Take a shower. And head off to sleep. Alright, Hope. Let's get your stuff together before you pass out, too. We'll eat something. Why can't you get into the shower? Maybe that's why. I just can't get into it. I swear I saw him shower earlier. Take a shower. Alright, can Johnny make it to bed? 22 minutes. Let's see. Barely. Oh, and the baby's aged up. Sophie is fussy. Great. Wonderful. Yeah. Allison is a charmer. How cute. Alright. Here they are. Get a good angle. Aww. That was creepy. Her mouth. Oh. That was cute. Alright. Now let the toddlers are aged up and Hope is gonna eat, shower, and go to bed. I'm gonna leave this part here. So, like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Goodbye.